Hey there, folks. Ryan Nocera here from Precision Trading Labs. I actually have something I found in the charts aftermarket that I think you guys are going to be interested in hearing about. So I wanted to do a quick video on it. First, let me start with the disclaimer and kind of get this out of the way because it's going to be interesting stuff. Okay, I think I left that up long enough. It's always in the description for most of our videos anyway. So let me get that out of here, and then Okay, so I was looking at Tesla after watching some people talk about it, and I wanted to do a quick video, and I entitled this video "The Strongest Demand Zone I've Seen," or one of them anyway, in my 10 years of trading, 12 years of trading. Because here's a zone from June of 2014. Okay. Right there, right? You see that rally, base rally, price comes in, works, price comes in, holds, takes another one, and then boom, right? So take a look at all that, right? See all that action right there? Then basically it kept rising. See all that move up? So finally, a real good breakout, right? I mean, that's huge. I wouldn't hold anything that long, so I can't say I would have been able to participate. But then watch what happens the next time it comes down in there. Right? Price falls. I highlighted the yellow, touches that same zone and works like a charm. Doesn't even drill into it, which is the cool thing, right? Turns around. See all that right there. That's a nice like 5-to-1 trade a couple of days ago. Boom, right? Or I don't know when that was actually. Weeks ago, right? Touches again. Works out pretty nicely, right? See this movement here, right? Hangs on and just rockets, right? Nice takeoff right into this supply zone, held it back, which I think I did a video about. Let me get this out of here. I know I'm drawing a lot of circles. Boom. And just so you see the risk reward, let me throw that on there. I mean, that's 3-to-1 right there, so that's more like a 6-to-1, maybe more trade right there. I don't feel like messing around with the numbers, but the interesting is we're headed back there, right? Here's today's closing. Right there. That's today. Let me take that yellow box off because it hasn't gotten there yet, but we're sitting right above it, right? 209.90, and hasn't touched yet. We still got 2 days of an open market left, and I mean, not that it matters if it happens this week. It's just going to be interesting. This would be 1, 2 touches. 3, 4, 5 touches of the original zone. And we'll see if this is going to be the 6th that works out or not. But this is a really interesting chart. I'm curious because obviously we know with demand zones they get weaker as they get touched, right? And I don't take anything that's touched a second time, or I very rarely do. Let me say that there's almost never a trade. The word never in trading, right? But take a look. This is interesting. If you want to talk about it, I'm going to put my calendar link in the description of the video. Set a time and we can have a conversation about it, and I can show you how I found that and how I would trade this if I was looking at it. And then we could also talk about, let's see if price gets down there. I mean, it's had a nice dissension right here, creating a what will be, that's a really interesting supply zone, and then we have a bunch of little ones that price might have a hard time getting through. But tomorrow's a news day, and the rest of the week is basically news days here. And then when does Tesla have earnings? 10/19. So we got about a week out until their earnings announcement. But we'll see if this touches. It's gonna be interesting if it just turns here. It doesn't really make too much of a difference. But I just found this to be an interesting chart, and thought you guys might interest you guys too. So like I said, that's what I got for today. My calendar link will be in the description if you want to have a Zoom call and see what we could do together. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.